Facebook profile, see dashboard option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to enable the Facebook see dashboard option, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now all you need to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner and then tap on your profile name. So here you can see there's no option of see dashboard. Now this is because your account is a private account. It's a personal account. So in order to see or enable the Facebook see dashboard option, you need to have a professional account. So for that, all you need to do is tap on the three dotted lines beside edit profile option over here. And here you can see at the bottom of the screen the option of turn on professional mode. So tap on turn on professional mode and then tap on turn on again. As a tap on turn on, you can just tap on continue and you can set up later on as well. And you can just refresh the page and here you can see the option of see dashboard option that has popped up. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.